We're out in the greenhouse. Oh, we got a shade cloth hanging down too. Um, it's like 80, what, 4 degrees or something?
Thousand.
But it's 1,000 in the greenhouse, says Lynn. And the boys are out here. And an update on the mole. I don't know if juicy fruit works. I don't have any dead moles laying in the yard. Obviously, they could die in their tunnel and we wouldn't know. But it's not looking like it's working to me because we lost another squash plant and what, 2 more tomatoes and a cucumber.
Yeah.
So we have upped the ante and we've gone with some deterrent that you scatter on your lawn and water it in, and some killer peanuts, and we're upping the arsenal. So we'll let you know how that goes. But it's hot and we're about to go inside for the day. I don't know why we're working in the afternoon because we're not smart like that. But if you'll look here, these 2 planters, and it's just 2 planters, had potatoes. They were up way over our heads, and the potatoes have fallen. And I'm not a potato grower. We're learning on that. But what we're finding out is if you harvest them at bloom stage, and these have bloomed, it's like a new potato. The skin's pretty thin. And if you let the plants die completely, the skin's tougher. But you can take the new potatoes inside and let them harden off, or the skin will dry a little bit. So we're going to cut this foliage out of here and we're going to harvest some potatoes, and we're going to bring you guys along with us in the process while we're cooking in the greenhouse.
Yes.
It's hot. It's really hot in here. Okay, so you've been watching, and we've got 1 tub harvested, and they're working on the other tub. These are going to be just like some new potatoes. Be great with some green beans.
small bag of potatoes.
Yeah. Start mixing that whole crap out.
Okay.
Okay, so the results are in. So out of 2 little buckets here in wicking tubs in, when did we plant those? March, the end of March?
Yeah.
We'll go back and look and I'll put it in the comments, but I think we planted these the end of March, so it's the end of April, 15th of May. So in 6 weeks we grew that many potatoes, and we've got 3 or 4 plants out in the garden, and we'll probably do lots more potatoes next year, but anyway, that's impressive. I'm happy with that.
Yeah.
So it's 21 hours and 49 minutes later. All right.
Yes.
Process is complete. So, open drain valve to vent.
That's what you do?
Huh?
That's what you do?
I guess so.
Oh my gosh.
So we, uh-oh, there we go. I'm dripping.
They're popping.
Well, we let the vacuum off of it. Okay, so we'll show you guys this. This is gummy bears, freeze dried, carrots, mangoes and carrots, bananas, and sugar snap peas. I don't want to try one. You gotta look at the camera when you do that. That's a gummy bear?
That's really good.
So it's a consistency of like a cheese puff.
It kind of does a pop rock thing in your mouth.
And it's a gummy bear. Those are good.
Very sweet.
Are they completely dry? It kind of goes back into a gummy
Yeah.
bear, doesn't it? Okay, this is really gross, but your spit turns it back into a gummy bear. That's really weird.
That tastes good.
Okay, carrot.
Okay. That tastes really good. Really light.
Okay, so it's a carrot, but it feels like a piece of paper.
Yeah.
Like a rice cake, even
Yeah,
lighter
yeah.
than a rice cake.
That's a cool snack.
The carrots taste like carrots.
Yeah.
There's a Willy Wonka line here somewhere, but I can't remember it from the movie.
This is a mango.
Mango.
Again, very light.
Okay, Brooks. Oh, you gotta put a shirt on, but come on down after you get your shirt on.
Mmm.
Did not know y'all were filming.
That tastes really good.
That's a mango.
Mm-hmm. That tastes. We gotta do more of those.
Mmm. Yeah, that's really good.
Yeah. Okay. Banana. Mmm. Those taste really good.
Okay, the banana, again, there's no weight to any of this. It's like
Very airy.
it's like puffed.
Yeah. Isn't that good?
Okay, you know when you dehydrate bananas and they're like hard to eat because they're so crunchy?
Not these.
That's not the case here.
Okay.
And the sweet pea. And then we'll have Brooks try them. Okay.
These are again very airy.
Mm-hmm.
That's pretty good.
I would eat all of that as a snack.
Well, we are.
Did y'all just do that with crunch berries, like the cereal? Or what
That is
No.
gummy bears. Okay, so
Try one.
Wait, what?
try
Really?
try gummy bear.
It's hard. You gotta. Yeah, it's fine.
That's really cool and really good.
Now, the more you chew it, it
Goes back to.
Gummies again.
turns back into a gummy bear, right?
Mm-hmm.
I don't know. I like the bananas and the mangoes.
That's really cool.
Try carrot.
The sugar peas. Is it sugar peas?
They're like
It's like
Paper.
that cheap like papery wood.
balsa wood.
Yeah.
Yeah, they're like the carrots are like balsa wood.
Reminds me of the scene in Little Rascals where he says paper and plastic.
That's really good.
But they're super intense. It tastes like a carrot, right?
That's really weird but really cool.
Okay,
That's awesome.
try a mango.
I think we should refilm it so we can retry everything again.
It tastes like mango too. That's
Yeah.
really cool.
I think the banana might be our favorite thing.
I think so. The banana and the mango.
It's like that frozen ice cream that astronauts eat. That's really cool.
Well, that's how they do it.
We're doing
Oh.
sandwiches next.
You can do that?
Yeah.
That's really cool. This is really good. I just dropped it. No, that's really good.
Okay,
We
try-
did great our first time.
Yeah, try a banana.
That doesn't taste like just a regular like plantain.
It's,
That's
everything
really
is like,
Like the flavor is heightened.
yeah, more intense. So,
good. And this mango tastes very mangoey more than you'd expect.
Mhm.
It's really good.
yeah,
A win-win. That was good.
yeah, super good. So, now you could take these carrots and the sugar snap peas and any other vegetable and any other meat that's cooked, and you could also do this with raw meat, but you could do all that and rehydrate it with some hot broth or anything and have instant soup. So that's kind of one of our big deals we're wanting to try is the vegetables, and I think maybe there's some more video coming from some stuff we got out of the garden today. We're gonna see how it goes. So
Yeah.
we'll shoot some more here in a little bit. But
One of those is straight
off?
Jolly Rancher.
no, it's still going.
Oh.
Banana, it's the same shape, size, and color as when we sliced them, but it weighs nothing. Like it almost floats here.
It's really cool. One of those. Did y'all put a Jolly Rancher in there?
It's really good.
One of them just crunched like a popcorn. Like, I
They
didn't have
kind of
to chew
taste
it.
like Pop Rocks, like when you first
Yeah,
get
but
them.
one of those didn't turn back to gummy. I just chewed it. Like
Oh.
pop rock, like piece of popcorn.
Yeah, because some of them are hollow.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's cool.
It's super good. We are doing, for our second batch, raspberries, apples with sugar and cinnamon, ice cream bars, cucumbers from the greenhouse, and these are Swiss chard leaves. There's only about 3 in there, and they overfill the whole tray. They're huge. So, and I know you can liquefy them and turn them to powder and all that. We wanted to try them whole and see what they do. So this batch is headed to the freeze dryer, and we'll see what happens. Hey friends, I have been terrible. We have been terrible about videoing the last few days, and I've got to get some videos put together and get some footage done. We've been servicing those 2 tractors, greasing, doing all the maintenance, and we've got this John Deere up here. We do some mowing and haying with it, and we're doing some light service work on it. This is I believe a 73 model 4430, but they have some bushings in the front of them that off the front of the crankshaft on the motor. They drive the hydraulic pump for the tractor, and they wear, hang on, I'm gonna have to turn this camera, and these bushings wear. So if you look right down in there at the bottom in front of those belts, you can see there's two little shafts that meet each other, and they have bushings on them, and they have these two little plates, these metal plates sandwich around the bushings, and the bushings wear and you wind up having to replace them. So anyway, that's the job on this one. Everything's kind of getting oil changes and air filters blowed out and cabs cleaned up and windows cleaned, and we service them, the air conditioners and anything they need, tire pressures and all that good stuff, and try to do all that in the spring every year. That way we don't have a lot to do through the summer, but just use the equipment. And some of it gets past oil change and we have to do a midsummer oil change, but for the most part, if we do it all now, we do a lot less wrenching the rest of the year. So that's what we're doing, and I will do better about getting some videos put out. I hope you like the channel. I hope you like what's going on. Subscribe. We owe you a greenhouse tour, some video of the pigs. We'll try to get a few things put together for you in the coming days here real quick, and because things are going to get real busy. I don't know if you can see behind me out there, but that wheat's not green anymore. It's turning some blonde and yellow colors, so that means it's drying down and harvest isn't far away. So anyway, hope you like the channel, hope you like what's going on. Like, subscribe, check out OK Family Farmstead, and we will see you in the next video, and there will be more videos, more next videos, more often.